issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Brooks County in deep South Texas, northeastern Jim Hogg County in deep South Texas, until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ramirez, or 16 miles east of Hebronville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect minor damage to mobile homes, some roofs, siding and some fences. Tree limbs will blow down and small trees will be uprooted. Damage to power lines and some power poles is expected. Locations impacted include Val Farias, La Colonia Park, Val Farias Fire Station, Val Farias Junior High School, Airport Road Addition, Pleasant Park, Brooks County Airport, Floella, Hidalgo City Park and Cantu Addition. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm